let's make a do-it-yourself pencil and pen holder for your desk organization. Your homemade desk organizer will make cleaning up almost fun. Pull out your craft supplies like paper, markers, stickers, and pom-poms and such because we're going to cover recycled tin cans. You can cover them in paper by cutting it to the right size and gluing it on. You could cover them in raffia or twine by gluing it on as you twist it up the can. Or you could use something like popsicle sticks and glue them around the can. Then you can decorate them with your markers and your stickers, or you could glue on pom-poms to make flowers like I did. They are so cute. I also added a little worm on there that my granddaughter made out of pom-poms. Now you have a pencil and pen holder to organize your desk for the school year. For more fun crafts and ideas, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.